In the mid-1990s, Jordan Belfort collaborated with his accomplice Donnie Azoff and began financier firm Stratton Oakmont. Their organization rapidly develops from a staff of 20 to a staff of more than 250, and their status in the exchanging local area and money road develops dramatically. Such a lot of that organizations document their underlying public contributions through them. As their status develops, so do how much substances they misuse, thus do their untruths. They draw consideration like no other, tossing rich gatherings for their staff when they hit the big time on high exchanges. That at last prompts Belfort included on the front of Forbes magazine, being classified the Wolf of Money Street and Quad. With the FBI onto Belfort's exchanging plans, he devises better approaches to cover his tracks and watch his fortune develop. Belfort at last thinks of a plan to stash their money in an European bank. In any case, with the FBI keeping a close eye on him, how long can Belfort and Azoff keep up with their intricate riches and sumptuous ways of life?
If you agree to the divorce right now, I will allow visitation, okay? Don't try to fight it. It'll save us both a lot of money, and I got a feeling you're gonna need it.
You're not taking my kids, sweetheart, you hear me?
I've already talked to the lawyer. He said even if you don't get convicted, I've got a good chance of getting them.
I got news for you. You're not fucking taking my children, you vicious fucking cunt. Fuck you, you fucking bitch! You're not fucking taking my goddamn fucking kids, you hear me? Fuck you! You're not fucking taking my fucking kids! Bitch, piece of shit, fucking whore.
Look at yourself, Jordan. Sick. You're a sick man.
Fuck you! I told you you're not taking my fucking kids, you fucking...
You think I would let my kids near you? Look at yourself. You know what my lawyer said? My lawyer said that you're going to prison for 20 years, Jordan. 20 fucking years. You're never going to see the kids again.
You don't think I'm gonna see my
No,
fucking...
I'm not fucking letting you near my kids.
You don't think I'm gonna see my fucking kids again, huh?
Don't you fucking touch them.
Don't you fucking touch me! Sweetheart, I'm coming on a trip with Daddy, all right? You're coming on a trip with Daddy.
Don't you fucking touch him, Jordan. I swear to God, I will fucking kill you.
All right, baby. Daddy, I'm gonna go on a little trip together, okay? A little trip together.
Get the key! Get the key! I got it! Jordan, you over this
Put your
fucking
seatbelt
door
on for
right
Daddy,
now.
okay?
Open the
Put your seatbelt
door!
on. There you go, sweetheart. There you go. Get your legs in.
What's wrong with you?
I'm taking her with me! I told you I'm taking her with me, you fucking bitch! You're not gonna stop me! You're not gonna stop me! A little trip, buddy. All right? No! Get the hell out of here!
Violet! Garage door! Close it! Honey, it's okay.
Oh, Mr. Jordan, I lost his mind.
It's all right.
Oh,
It's all
you're
right.
right. You're right. What's the matter with you? You're right. You're right.
Paragraph 1. Defendant shall plead guilty to all counts of the indictment currently pending against him in the United States District Court for the Eastern District of New York.